Listen, you are not going to get bored with the things you start to see this year. It is good to meet different problems so that you can learn a victory in life. Remember, your strength is your patience in your life. In other words, you should teach other people. Remember, Waneso, you can do everything, but remember this. And the time when your strength will not carry you in life, there's a time that your strength will never do anything for you in this life. The point is that when God is not there, there is no way the person can see the breakthrough of a new power. If you have two friends in your lifetime, you are lucky. If you have one good friend, you are more than lucky. So keep strong and know who you are. God bless you.